Hope you guys are doing well. In this video I'm going to tell you about an interesting thing in MS Word which can be very useful for you guys, and this trick is also going to be a time saving for you guys. If you are bored making or designing a CV, ID card, business card, or whatever you are designing or working on that is taking too much time and you want to these things in hurry, so I have another thing that can be helpful for you. Here you have option more templates. If you want the template of anything, CV, design, ID card, CV, ID card, and whatever you want, you can search here. For example, I'm going to search a CV here and then enter, and you are going to see a lot of CV. You can choose any CV and use it according to your needs. If you want a certificate design, you can easily search here certificate and then press the enter. You are going to see a lot of certificate designs here. You can use any certificate. These all are fully free and editable. You can change the information, color, and all data in this certificate. For example, you want to search the later, you are going to see a lot of later. Press the enter and you will see the letters. For example, I'm going to use this CV. I'm going to click on this option, click it, and you have to click on this create. After clicking on the create, the design will be opened in MS Word. As you can see, the design is open and this is fully editable. You can change the picture here, you can change the information, your name here, you can change the all data which is given in a document. That can be a CV, that can be a certificate, that can be any document you are using or you are working on. This is fully editable and fully free, and this is also time saving. So I hope you understand this video, and this video is going to be very useful for you guys. See you in the next video.